Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a simple way that I use to drive more visitors to my PTP link and thus earn more cash. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, make sure to share it wherever you can in order to support me grow my channel. I thank everyone in advance for every action taken on my channel. With that said, and without further ado, let's get back into today's video. Now, there are two sites that I'm going to use today to illustrate my example. OJOOO Wad, which is a advertising platform from Europe, I think it's German, and Rotate for All that provides also an advertising platform that provides the PTP link. PTP link, it's a paid to promote link. Now, a certain company as Rotate for All offers a PTP link for you to promote, and whenever a visitor clicks on this link through your promotion, you get paid. And for Rotate for All, the conversion rate is $0.0004 for every unique click. Okay, now I'm using Rotate for All in order to illustrate this example today, but you can use whatever other site you already have an account to and that offers PTP link. And the way that I'm gonna illustrate today using OJOOO.com, it can be used not only for PTP link, but for every affiliate link you want to promote, or maybe even your website. Okay, now how this works, the feature for this to work, you can find it on OJOOO.com, and as I mentioned, the PTP link I'm using Rotate for All. So the feature here is called, this is the dashboard, sorry, this is the dashboard of OJOOO, but I'm not gonna get into how OJOOO works and what are its features. I'm going to show you only the feature for today's video, which is here in the offers section and traffic exchange. Now, as you can tell for the name, it's about traffic exchange. So you surf other users' pages and in return you earn advertising minutes. So OJOOO doesn't use advertising credits or cash in order to serve, but it uses advertising minutes. So you go here to traffic exchange, and in order to gain minutes, as you can see, I already have more than 500 minutes. You just click here on start auto serve to earn minutes. As it says, you just wait until the timer here runs to 0. And then you will earn minutes according to the timer. Sometimes it's 15 seconds, sometimes it's 20 seconds, but we'll get into that why this changes. Okay, so this is how you earn. As you can see, for 50 seconds, I already earned 0.13 minutes. Okay, simple as that. Now, the moment that you accumulate enough minutes, you can use this to promote your PTP link, and as I did, surfing others pages, others will surf your PTP link for you. It will show like this in their dashboard, in their screen. Okay, simple as that. So how to advertise your PTP link? Let's go again to my dashboard. Let's copy first our PTP link. Mine is from Rotate for All. Okay, click here, copy to clipboard. Now we just go here to advertising at the left menu on your OJOOO account dashboard. And by the way, if you do not have an account on OJOOO Wad, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. It's absolutely 100% free to join. Click on advertising, and here is the section for advertising. Now what we want to do is go to traffic exchange and let's create our campaign. Right, it's quite simple, almost as everywhere else, right? So add a campaign, just put a title, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Here you must put your PTP link or whatever link you want to advertise, and I already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it. So the timer that I mentioned earlier, Now, I know for a fact that in order to earn from a visitor's click on my PTP link provided by Rotate for All, that visitor must navigate for at least 5 seconds after clicking my link, so the click will be validated and Rotate for All will pay me. Okay, so it's 5 seconds, but to be sure I'm gonna make it 6 seconds. Okay, and if you want, you can geographic filter, you can filter it by geolocation, but I don't have to do that. It doesn't matter, because my purpose is not to promote whatever this link offers, but my purpose is to get just the click, right? So let's click on add campaign, but it's not running yet because we have to activate it. So let's go again to the campaign we created, again to advertising, traffic exchange, and as you can see now it has a 1 as a number here, which means there is a campaign here. Now, as you can see, it's still paused. I have to click on this play icon here, but I'm not gonna do that because I have to distribute minutes to this campaign. All right, so let's click on edit and let's add minutes. Now I'm gonna use all the minutes I have to illustrate this example. So I have more than 500 minutes. It will get me 5,000 clicks, but not of them, of course, will be unique. That's obvious. Clicks edit, add, edited. All right, now let's click on play in order to activate the campaign. Advertisement, it's now active. And now let me show you live proofs that this actually works. Let's go to Rotate for All, my account. Just a second. Now, as you can see, minutes are being spending here on OJOOO. Now let's go to Rotate for All and let's see what happens. Let me refresh. Here is the button for statistics. Now let me refresh and see if the sum here grows. Okay, and as you can see, it changed, it grew. Let me click again. It grew again. And of course, here are all the statistics. This is today's date, the moment I'm recording the video. And of course, there are some invalid clicks as well. As of now, I already got 10 unique clicks, 0 non-unique clicks, and 6 invalid clicks. Let me refresh it again. Okay, you can see the changes now. And you can see that it really works. In the meantime, here at OJOOO, if we refresh the page, we will see the changes in minutes. Now I've already spent 100 minutes and still counting. Okay, so it works, guys. Now, as you can see, my balance is growing until the moment this goes to 0. I have an advantage to earn as much minutes as possible, and probably you do too, because if you have an extra device at home, for example a desktop computer or an older laptop that you have lying around somewhere doing nothing, you just put that to work and you can let it run 24/7 here on automatically surfing the OJOOO traffic exchange feature. And the more devices you have with different IP addresses, of course, the more minutes you can earn, and you can use all of those minutes to promote just one PTP link. I know it's not much, but it's not nothing. Okay, now my advantage, like I said, is that I already have an older laptop at home, in my room, and it's doing nothing, and I use it only for this purpose. All right. So that's today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you find it useful. Please, like I said, make sure to subscribe to my channel and please share the video in order to help me grow my channel. I thank you very much and see you in the next one. Cheers!